Hi, welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and today we have another Mac tutorial. And in this one I'm going to show you how to hide the clock on the macOS login screen. So if you don't like the clock looking like this in the login screen, you want to go to System Settings here on the desktop. If you don't have it in the desktop, you want to come up to the top left here and press the little Apple logo and come down to System Settings. Then within System Settings you want to come down and select Lock Screen. Now here on Lock Screen you'll see Show Large Clock, and you'll select this drop down here and it will say on screensaver and lock screen, on lock screen or never. So if you want to hide it on the login screen, select never. Now this is how your lock screen will look. So that's how to hide the clock at the macOS login screen. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.